experience with multiple domains. Like I am working with mobile applications. I am working with a mobile apps developer, and working with web application developers, web applications developer, and working as a data scientist, and working as data engineer. Okay, so at present, I am freelancer. I'm not doing any work in any company. I'm giving a number of corporate trainings. So present my career is going as a corporate trainer. Okay, so my role is corporate trainer. I'm giving training for multiple companies, all big MNCs with multiple kind of technologies. And coming to the session, what is our session is? Our session is very, very important session, React and React Native web and mobile application development. Okay, so what is this particular session will be? React and React Native. React Native, web and mobile, mobile application development. See, for this course, I'm actually taking 2 months duration of yours. For this course, I'm going to be taking a 2 months duration of it. So I'm working as a corporate trainer from last 13 plus years of experience, and IT architect on web and mobile, data science, data engineer, all these things. And currently I'm doing a lot of corporate trainings. I'm providing training for people, and I placed a lot of people in the companies, and a lot of people are actually as a MDs now. Now, current topic is basically what is web application and what is mobile application. Everybody listening a word called web and mobile application. What is this web and what is this mobile? Both are from internet. See, internet is very, very huge nowadays. People are using internet, right? People are using internet vastly. Using internet vastly. Yes, everybody using internet. See, people are in mobile apps, in smartphones. People are in smartphones now. Everybody doing their own transactions with the smartphones. Yes or no? This is my simple question. Everybody doing their own transactions using their smartphones. For example, paying bills, money transfer, order food, purchasing clothes. See, in human life, internet is very much important. In human life nowadays, internet is very, very important. Why? Because of, see, even in older days also, internet is very, very important. Whenever you want to debit your amount, whenever you want to credit your amount, and whenever you want to book a train ticket, whenever you want to book a bus ticket, a movie ticket, whatever it may be, web applications are very huge. Something like www.amazon.com. For example, if I want to purchase a product, I go with Amazon.com. If I want to search about something, I need to go for www.google.com. www.google.com. Yes or no? Sir, this is interactive session. You people have to give me answers. You have to give answers, reply me back. What is internet I'm talking about? Internet is a component which is already using by the people. Okay, educated people, non-educated people, everybody using internet. That is we know. And people are using smartphones. People are doing paying bills, money transfers, ordering foods, purchasing clothes, purchasing everything. Web means a web application, an application which is in your browser, an application which is an application which is launching from browser. It is very important component. For example, you have a laptop, you have a desktop, you have a laptop or you have a desktop. Sir, in my home I have a desktop, sir. I have a desktop CPU. In my home I have a desktop or CPU. In your CPU you have operating system. In your CPU you have one operating system, something like Windows operating system or Mac operating system. Or in your laptop you will be having, your laptop is HP laptop, for example. Some people are having HP laptop, some people are having Lenovo laptop, whatever it may be. We have a laptop, we have a desktop. Okay, in your desktop you are installing one software called browser. You need to install one software called a browser. What is the browser here? Very, very important component. Browser is something like Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer. Explorer. Or Chrome browser, Google Chrome. Or Firefox. Maybe Safari. See, I'm teaching everything from scratch. I don't want your qualifications. I don't want your backgrounds. People are coming from BTech background. People are coming from MBA background. People are coming from electronics background. People are coming from degree background. People are coming from MBA background. I don't want your qualifications and the things. Just try to observe the things what I'm going to be teaching to you. An application which is launching from the browser is called web application. An application which is launching from browser is called web application. First of all, I'm writing a definition. I'm writing a definition. What is web application? I'm trying to exploring with you. This is the definition. This is the question. For this question, I'm giving answer. For this question, I'm giving answer. A question is very simple question. What is web application? An application which is launching from browser is called web application. That's it. Okay, so I am the user. So I have a laptop called HP Lenovo. Okay, I was a X user and some other person Y user, some other person Z user. He has desktop and some other people have MacBook. They launch with their own browser like Internet Explorer. They have their own browser like a Chrome. They have their own browser like a Google Chrome. They have their own browser like a Google Chrome. Firefox, it may be different. So, got my point, everyone? Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Geetika, Rani, or Vivek? Suppose I'm just telling to you people. Suppose let me try to launch something. Suppose she is Geetika. Okay, she's Rani, and he is Vivek Kumar. These three persons are there. These three persons are there. So Geetika having one laptop. Geetika having one laptop in home. Rani having one laptop in home. And Vivek having separate laptop in home. Now, these three people are basically users. User 1, user 2, user 3. Got my point? User 1, user 2, user 3. All these users having accounts in Gmail. These three users having accounts in Gmail. Gmail.com. These three users having accounts in Gmail. Geetika, you have any Gmail account? Geetika, can you try any Gmail account so far?
Yes, sir.
Musfar, can you create any Gmail account? You have any Gmail account further? Rani, you created a Gmail account or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vivek,
Yes, sir.
you created one Gmail account before? Yes, I can't able to listen the voice of Vivek. No worry. Okay, so Geetika having one Gmail account and Rani has some Gmail account. and Vivek have some Gmail account, but these three people are unique users, user 1, user 2, and user 3. But Geetika username and password is different. Geetika username and password is different. She know her username and password. That is confidential. That is confidential. And Rani have some username and password. That details are confidential for the Rani. Okay, Rani password I don't know. At the same time, Vivek also have some username and password. Rani details, Rani's personal. Okay, like this, millions of users are maintained by the Gmail. Millions of users maintaining by the Gmail. So Gmail is one application. Gmail is one application which is going to be having millions of application in real time. One Gmail application which is going to be having a lot of users. And we are taking services from the Gmail. We are taking services from the Gmail and we can utilize. Yes or no? Now you tell me, Gmail is one web application. Am I right or no? Now I'm telling to you guys, Gmail is one web application. Are you sure? Please get me back. Few people are not giving answers. I can't go forward. I'm telling Gmail is one web application. Is it right or wrong? I'm telling Gmail is one web application. Is it right or wrong? www.gmail.com. Is this one web application or not? And this is followed by the protocol, HTTPS. This is one web application or not? This is some address. See, this is some address. This is Gmail. This is web application or not? Geetika. Geetika, I'm asking the question.
I think yes.
No, this is web application. That is basically address of the web application. Address nothing but what? For example, your home in some city. When I want to come to your home, I need to take your address, right? Without your address, I can't able to enter with your home. Rani, tell me, gmail.com, www.gmail.com is web application or not, first of all?
I'd say web application. Yes, it is a web application.
Yes, it is a web application. So HTTPS www.facebook.com. Facebook.com. Is this a web page or not?
It's a web page, yeah.
Yes, exactly. HTTPS www.twitter.com. Twitter.com. Okay, so HTTPS www.apple.com. Apple.com. I can able to connect with Apple by giving this address. By giving this address. Yes or no? Okay, so let me launch twitter.com. Let me open the browser. I try to launch my browser. I'm launching a browser called Firefox. I'm trying to launching my browser called Firefox. This is my Firefox browser. What is the address I tell? www.twitter.com. In my browser, I'm trying to providing what? www.twitter.com. Can you search? You can able to search. See, this address I need to enter in the browser. When you enter your address in the browser, then only browser hit the browser and get the data. Now, sir, now you see browser trying to hitting the twitter.com. Now browser trying to hitting the Twitter application. Yes or no? Now www.twitter.com. I'm trying to providing this twitter.com is address basically. This is address first of all. This is what? This is called address. This is address. Got my point, guys? See, understand the terminology of web application first. Understand the terminology of web application first. When you understand the terminology of web application, then only you be the developer of web application in future. You only be the developer of web application in future. First, understand web terminology. Where web started with? Web started with the browser. Browser need an address. Without address, browser can't able to open any web application. Now tell me, Rani, what is this address now?
This is
Suppose, yeah, HTTPS.
web address.
Web address, exactly. Web address of Twitter.
Web address of.
Okay, so if I find your address, I can able to enter into your application. So I find your home address basically. I find Rani address. I find Rani address. With Rani address, I can able to reach Rani, but I can't able to enter into the Rani house, right? So Rani house is available here. Rani house is available here. I can able to enter with your house or entering into your house without having your permission.
No.
Yes, exactly. So you need to have your own permissions, right? You have your own logs. You have your own logs. So that permissions are basically username and password. So I need to take the username of the Rani. I need to take the username and the username of the password, username and password of the Rani. Then only I can able to see the Rani's information. Without entering the username password, Rani enters into the house. This is very important. This is very important. Finding address is different. Finding permission is different. Getting permission is different.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finding address is one mark. Second mark is permission entering into the application. For example, if I give my username and my password, I can able to enter into my Twitter. For example, in twitter.com, my twitter.com page came, right? My twitter.com page came here. Okay, so my twitter.com page here. So what the twitter.com page immediately asking me? So you can see a lot of options here. Sign up with the Google account, sign up with Apple account, or sign up with the phone or email ID. So I don't have account in Twitter. I need to create a new account as a user, right? If you are already logged in user, you give your username and password. If you don't have any account, you have to go with your account number. Am I right? See, Twitter is a big platform. Twitter is a social media where multiple people are registering, multiple people are making tweets, following tweets, retweets, whatever it may be. Yes or no? Twitter is a global network. How many people having Twitter accounts? How many people having Facebook accounts? And how many people having Gmail accounts? How many people having Netflix accounts? How many people having something like this one actually, AWS accounts? People are using Netflix, right? Okay, I'm
Yes,
telling,
sir. Yes.
I'm asking,
Yes, sir.
I'm asking everyone. Open your mouths. Geetika, you know, you have any social media account?
No, sir.
No, you have your Gmail, right?
Yes.
You have your Gmail. That's good. That's good. You go with the social media. Come into the social media. And Rani, you have any social media account like Twitter and Facebook or Instagram?
Yes, sir.
Instagram.
I have. Yes, sir. I have.
People are actually in Instagram, in Twitter more nowadays. Okay, give suppose one
Yes,
more
sir.
guy. Vivek, you have any Twitter account? You have any Twitter account or Insta or Facebook or whatever it may be? I don't care about. Mostly in IT people are having social media, right? No, Vivek don't have any social media account. Okay. Let's have one Gmail account. Everybody, please prepare one Gmail account first. Prepare one Gmail account. What you are doing? You are going with sign up. What you are doing with sign up, right? First of all, you don't have any Gmail account. You need to create one Gmail account. Let me show. Sir, we are learning web application development. Lot of customers. We are doing a job for the customer. We are doing a job for the Facebook kind of people. We are doing a job for the Twitter kind of people. We are doing a job for the OLX kind of people, and we are doing a job for the Ola, Uber kind of people. We are going to do job for the Foodpanda kind of people. Domains, multiple web domains are there nowadays. So world is very, very big. Now the complete world is having a lot of domains. How many domains are there in the real world? This is IT. This is a world basically. This is a universal world. I'm telling you about this is a universal. In universal, how many domains are there available? Can you give me some names? In universal, how many domains are there? Just give me some names. General question. Just general question. In universal, how many domains are there? Rani, you are the person, you are going to be giving the answer for me. How many domains are there? Hotel management?
Yeah.
Business domain?
Um,
And okay, so business and real estate? Real estate. And education? And I'm just writing few things. And one more is social media. Social media. And healthcare system. Healthcare. Give me more and more. Healthcare. One more is trading. One more is something like any other domains you find? Travel business is there. Gold, finance, all these are different kind of domains in universal or not? Imagine how many domains are there. N number of domains. We can't able to imagine how many domains are there. I don't know the number. N number of domains which are available in the universe. N number of domains available. N number of domains. N number of domains. For all these domains are now in internet, sir. All these domains are internet. Universal completely digitalized. Universal throughout universal completely digitalized now. Digitalized. Already digitalized. People are working, are doing transactions, doing work in internet connectivity. With internet connectivity, without having internet connectivity, people can't able to sleep also in future. Without having in your internet, you can't able to sleep. Internet is one living thing in our regular life. Internet is one living thing in our regular life. Am I right or wrong? Internet, smartphone. Am I right or wrong, Rani? And this guys, I can't. I'm not getting responses from you people. If you're not giving responses, I don't talk. Rani,
Yes, sir.
you have to give me reply.
Yeah.
Vivek, okay. Geetika, are you understanding or not?
Yes, I am understanding, sir.
Okay, so you tell me that you see the picture in disclosed world. How many kind of organizations or platforms which are going to be available? You take a hotel management system, for example. Hotel management system. How many applications are there? You can't able to explain. In business, how many applications are there? In real estate, how many applications are there? In travel, how many applications are there? In trading, how many applications are there? In finance, how many applications are there? In gold related, how many applications are there? In education, how many applications are there? In social media, how many applications are there? In healthcare system, how many applications are there? See, we are the developers, so all these All these are vendors to us. So he is the vendor for us in future. Maybe you are developing one web application for the travel business. Maybe you are going to be doing one trading business for the trading business. You are going to be developing one web application for the finance business, or you are going to be developing one web application for the gold business. You are going to be developing one web application for the social media vendor, or you are going to be developing one web application for the education vendor, or you are going to be developing one web application for the real estate vendor. All these are our clients. Sir, we are doing job, sir. We are doing job in company. Suppose you selected in X company. You selected in X company. Now your role is what? You are selected in X company. This is the company. So this company recruiting you. This company recruiting you. Some called a TCS company. So you are now working with TCS. Now you are working in TCS for the client. For the client, TCS company having the client called Facebook. Now you are the developer working for the Facebook by the TCS. Now you are the developer, you are the employee. What is the role of employee now? What is the role of employee? Employee taking salary from TCS. Employee taking salary from TCS, but he is working for the Facebook application. You selected in TCS, but now you are taking salary from the Facebook, and Facebook recruiting people like you, number of people. A company TCS maintaining a Facebook team, and TCS maintaining a lot of projects. TCS is not only Facebook maintenance application. TCS is a very big company. TCS have a lot of applications need to maintain. TCS need to maintain Twitter. TCS need to maintain Foodpanda, and TCS need to maintain Ola, and TCS need to maintain Uber. TCS need to maintain a lot of applications, sir. But TCS is the company recruiting number of employees and paying salaries. Got my point? This is the real agenda in the company. So what you have to do? You are the web developer. You are working for a company as a application developer, and your role is what? You do your work, and you take your salary and come out. Any questions so far? Now I think you people got idea what I'm trying to telling you. What is the web application and how web application is going to be work, and what kind of things, what kind of the real approach we need to follow the web application development. I will tell each and everything from scratch to end. No need to worry. Every diagram, every notes I will share with you. Day 1 onwards, I will tell the class very clear. And what you people have to do is, once we're done with the web application, we come to the mobile application also. Mobile application, an application which will install in your mobile. Which will install in your mobile. Which will install in your mobile or smartphone. Or smart. So you have purchased one smartphone today. For example, you purchased one iPhone today. Okay, iPhone 13 I purchased, and I go to the store, app store, and I downloaded one application called Insta. Immediately, what I want to do? I downloaded one application, Instagram. What I want to do? I need to give my sign in DD. Sign in with Insta, sign in and password. When I enter sign in password for the Instagram, automatically I can able to operate with my account. I can able to operate with my account. Sir, no. When I take an iPhone 3 purchased, go to App Store, download Instagram application, sign in and password by details of my username and password. I can able to operate on my phone. This is right or wrong? Okay, so in your iPhone, you have the App Store. From the App Store, how many applications you can able to work with? From App Store, you can download Facebook application. From your App Store, you can able to download your Ola application, for example, if you want to travel one place to another place, you need to book auto. Ola is one application, right? From your app store, you can able to download any kind of application. For example, I want to download one food panda. I need to order a food now. I need to eat a biryani. I can order a biryani within 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I can eat my chicken, burger, whatever it may be. That is by application. If I want, I can go for Amazon. I can able to purchase a phone, mobile phone. I can purchase a mobile phone immediately. Tomorrow onwards, I need to use a new mobile phone. I can do with my mobile app. See, this kind of applications also you can able to implement or develop using with mobile app development. So that is basically who are developers who are developing applications for the App Store. App Store having millions of applications. See, this App Store is again having App Store having lot of domains, lot of applications from multiple vendors. So what is a vendor? Don't ask me. I told you what is a vendor means. There are multiple kind of vendors like your social media, your business, and your travel, and your education system. All these are vendors. A lot of vendors in IT world having multiple kind of applications in App Store. Those applications also we can able to develop a customized application for the customized person, customized client. Now you can able to become a master in web application, and you can able to become a master for web application after learning this course. Once you complete this program, definitely everybody can able to do the job on web application and mobile developer, as web application developer and mobile application developer. I will prepare your resume as a web and mobile. So I'll prepare your resume for mobile and web. So you become a mobile web developer, at the same time you become a web application developer in the future. So our course, our target mostly not only the web and not only the mobile. Our target is basically both the web and mobile platform. Our target is basically mobile and web development. Our target is very simple target. My target completely on you people. I will prepare your resume as mobile and web development. As a web developer, you can able to develop the web applications. You can able to develop one web application. You people have to work on web application, and you people have to work on mobile phones like iOS and Android. There are two kind of categories available in the market now: iOS and Android phones. App Store and Play Store. For App Store, you can able to develop one application. For Play Store also, you can able to develop one application. This is your agenda. And here the concept is browser. For browser, we are working. Here, this is browser. And here the thing is stores. Our published spot is basically store here, stores. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Please let me know, then I can able to give you the answers.